If you are still copying and pasting AI drafts straight into WordPress, your website is sitting on a ticking time bomb. And no, Google isn't penalizing you just because you use ChatGPT. The real threat is something much worse: invisible plagiarism. When millions of bloggers use the same tools, AI starts recycling the exact same phrases, flooding the web with what Google calls scaled, low-quality content. In this video, we are breaking down the exact workflow I use on my blogs to bypass AI detection inaccuracies, eliminate duplicate content traps, and ensure every single post earns its place on Google's first page. Let's dive in. Let's talk about the core issue: platform saturation. Platforms like Medium and Google are being inundated with what Wired calls AI slop. The problem isn't that AI writes bad English. The problem is that LLMs recycle phrases and common patterns from their training data. If you and your competitor use similar prompts, you get near identical outputs. This creates unintended duplication. Even worse, current AI plagiarism detectors like Turnitin or Copyleaks often misclassify human writing as AI, especially if you are a non-native English speaker. Merely rephrasing or content spinning won't cut it anymore. It destroys your EEAT signals. Here is the official stance from Google for developers. Google does not automatically penalize AI-generated content. They reward original, helpful content that serves reader needs. However, Google's spam brain system is actively cracking down on automated, spin-generated content used to game rankings. If your AI content lacks unique insights, it won't get a formal penalty notice in Search Console. It will simply be deprioritized and outranked by authoritative sources. Unoriginal text drops your engagement and erodes brand credibility, which directly signals Google that your page isn't worth indexing. To fix this, we implement the 6-step workflow we use at blogs.solutions. Step 1. Use AI for structure, outlines, and prompts, never for the final copy. Step 2. Rewrite heavily. Infuse your personal experience, anecdotes, and niche research. Step 3. Run rigorous checks using dual-purpose tools like Copyscape for web duplicates and Originality.AI to spot algorithmic patterns. Step 4. Fact-check meticulously because AI hallucinates data. Step 5. Apply proper technical SEO, like canonical tags if you use syndicated content. And Step 6. Monitor indexing and bounce rates closely in Google Analytics to catch quality drops early. AI is a powerhouse assistant, but without human curation, it's just an expensive way to lose your rankings. If you want to copy our exact prompt frameworks and download our EEAT checklist, head over to the link in the description at blogs.solutions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep tech SEO strategies. See you in the next one.